our channel at Simply Smith Family. Join us again guys sa ating vlog today. We're going to Uttoxeter Race Course dito sa Midlands. So hopefully hindi umulan, pero anyway, rain or shine, we are off. Where are we going today, Ben?
No way.
No way. Pupunta po kami kay Mama Ren and Uncle Charles. We're going to collect them and we're going to a hot air balloon festival. Oh, diba? There's balloons and tunes dito sa Midlands, so come and join us. At si Ben is not in a good mood. Oh dear. He wants to sit in the front with his brother. Oh well. Well, Mama Rena will sit next to you later. Ayan guys, kaya po siya grumpy dahil inaantok ang ating Benjamin. Ayan, nagre-recharge siya. So ang event today, it starts from, they open the gate from 12 noon until 11 p.m. So about 8:30 p.m. daw, let's see kung mapalipad nila yung mga hot air balloon. Pag hindi, doon na lang sa ground at mag-i-inflate lang sila doon. Tulog na ang Ben. Is asleep, Daddy?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Ben is asleep.
Do you enjoy sitting in the front?
Do you like it in front?
Do you like it in front?
Show me then. Show me your face. You saw the camera and he hid.
Give mommy a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Are you okay? No? Alright then. He's not okay in the front, guys. Say hello, guys. Hi, Nanay, Tatay, and everyone. Yan, guys, while waiting for Uncle Charles and Mama Rena, ito, I managed to cut his nails, Ben's nails, and his wrist. Oh, meron siyang number ko at name niya. But for William, ayun, hindi ko mahanap ang kanyang... Oh, what is it? Sorry. What did you say?
I got a hot balloon there.
Yeah, we're going to the hot air balloon. There's Uncle Charles. Can you see Uncle Charles? There's Uncle Charles. Look. Say hi, Uncle Charles. Ayan guys, hope you're all okay and welcome again to our channel at Simply Smith Family. Oh, William is not in a good mood because we're waiting for at least 5 minutes now. Anyway, today is Saturday, the 23rd of August, 2020. Is this Uttoxeter now, darling?
Yeah, we've been in Uttoxeter for about 15 minutes.
Okay. We've been busy chatting here at the back. Ang ganda ng roundabout nila, guys. Oh. Ayan, may kaba-kabayo kasi dito yung race course. So, dito yung
Last time I came.
nagre-race yung mga ano nila, queen, di ba? Yung mga, di ba pumupunta pa sila dito? Sila queen pag kami mga race ang mga kabayo nila halimbawa may charity.
Oh, there's a balloon.
Oh, there's the balloon. I can see it. William, can you see the balloon?
There's no barrier down here.
The Uttoxeter race course. We're gonna go.
He's opened it up.
Yeah, last time we went in there, babe, because I remember we were in that
Oh
field.
yeah.
Daddy.
Ask that guy, darling, in front there with the green.
No access for dog walkers. So you can get his attention.
Ayan, guys, it's getting busier. Oh my God, people are smiling.
I was just about to say, why did they
Is
sort
that
of
the
get this
queue?
shit
Oh,
down?
we should have come later.
Well, should have come earlier. Last time, with your mum and dad, we were in this green field here. So that barrier was open last time.
Oh dear, look at that. Probably they will let us, we'll see. Ayan guys, may fun fair. We're here at Uttoxeter race course now. At ito ang daming mga tao. Ayan si Uncle Charles. Mga chairs pa kami, camping chairs. Ayan. Medyo malayong lakaran, pero we're getting there. Ben's loving it. He's dancing like this, no music. What is it, William?
2 years ago.
It's 2 years ago, isn't it? Yeah.
It's as big as 2 years ago.
You're right, Daddy.
Yeah, when he's a bit older, I'll take him.
Excited? Are you cold, William? So why you got your hoodie on? As you can see, guys, ang haba ng pila. It's either you come earlier or you come later kasi ganito ang pipilahin.
Yeah.
Ilang gigabytes yun? Ayan guys, yung mga caravan park doon, mga motorhome. Ayan. As we're getting closer, ayan po, you can see, may mga, isa lang pala, isa o dalawa na hot air balloon doon. Tapos may mga playground, fun fair, mga rides. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa peryahan. Ayan, we're gonna go swing! Woohoo! Hindi pa umiikot eh. Sigaw na sila. Ay, aakyat yan all the way. Ayan guys, mga rides. Ala, ang taas na niyan. Oh my goodness. Uncle Charles, shall we go there? No. Shall we go there? Hindi alam ni Ben kung saan titingin. Ayan guys, ang daming rides sa mga kids. Parang pariyahan lang sa atin sa Pinas. Ayan, dami ng music. Bouncy castle. Ala. Ano tayo? Ayan na guys, mas malapit na tayo. Parang dito ata, bike ba? Motorbike! Yeah, that's the toilet over there. Oh, may mga white at green. Easy kumakain ng mga bata guys.
Jack Dance. As I said, Jack's been buying in the last 3 weeks in American Cooking Factory Gas Tour. Here we go, top of the box here. Right, let's get straight into this with Tom Harrison. Right guys, you're going to make some noise. The louder you are, the bigger Tom will go. Okay, Tuesday, hand over the box now. Make some noise for Jack. Right, Tom. As I said, riding for Colony Brunex. Pro rider. One of the best in the UK. Okay. Guys. What's he going to have in store for us now? Up on the back wheel. Stood up on the bike. Super technical. Years of experience to get to this. Go on, make some noise over there. Wow. Wow, really stood up on the back of the... Straight up on the front. Okay. Are we going to do this? Do you want to have a go at this? Come on guys, you need it? Come on guys, keep it going.
There you go! Woo! You did it! Okay, we're going.
What have we got, Stu? Take a quick breathe there. Now, just say that Jack has been in a...
Si Ben guys nag-enjoy.
Too loud for Tom. Hey.
Donut! Say donut! Woohoo!
Yes.
Oh dear. Donut! I was going to different corners.
Easy. Just drifting around, having fun. Jack's out, everybody. There we go. Back to the BMX. This looks too bad. Index, please. Super heavy with the steel frame.
Alam mo na, intindihan. Eto guys, sinusundan ko si William. Dahil lakad ng lakad si William, so I have to follow him. Si Ben naman with Mama Rena, so ayan. Where are we going? Yan, ang daming kainan. May pizza, may puddings, may ice cream, may chips. Name it all. Daming tao. Sit back, relax. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Nag-enjoy siya dyan. At naman dito naman siya. Sit back, sit back, sit back. We're going. Hold tight, hold tight. Woohoo! Oh, yeah! Well done! Wow! Going round! Yay! Round and round! Woohoo! Bubbles! Lightning McQueen! Wow! Ito guys talaga pang ano, pang kids. Grabe guys, ang daming tao. So ang hirap tanggalin ang mata sa mga bata. So we have to have our eyes on them. Kasi ang bilis nilang tumakbo. And then they don't want to wear their wristband. Gumawa ako ng may number, may name. Ay nako, ayaw nila guys. Ayaw nilang ano, i-wear. It's a very long queue, anak. You want to go jumpy jumpy there? Trampoline? Jumpy jumpy? We'll go and see, try to find out kung nasaan na si Mama Rena at si Ben. Si Ben, knowing Ben, lakad lang ng lakad guys. At kami naman ni William, oh my God, I have to hold him tight kasi ang bilis niya tumakbo, ang daming tao. Yan, daming kainan, may slush shack, may chicken, may Greek chips. Name it all. Ang dami. May mga hats, may mga, ang dami. Ang daming makikita at ang dami ding tao guys, grabe. Look at that, William. Let's go see the monster truck. And there's a stage here. William, we're gonna drive, yeah? Oh yeah. Beep 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 beep. William. Yay! Iron Man.
S right now, guys. So S, you go. Oh my goodness. What is he doing? Oh yes. Oh yes. Michael Jackson. Stand by, Harrison, you're next. Here we go. Oh, we're a ballerina. Go on, ballerina.
Ako nahilo na ako guys. Woohoo! William, gonna...
Kick your legs, kick your legs. Come on, this is for the prizes. For the prizes, kick your legs.
Ayan guys. At tas kasama ko na itong dalawang bata. Ayan. Kasama ni Daddy and William kanina. Ako naman si Ben. Yeah, we're waiting for the hot air balloon to be inflated again. Uh-oh. Sorry. Where's the hot air balloon? Where is it now? Hello everyone. Wala pang show dito. Ayan guys, ako naman ang charge kay Ben ngayon. At eto, takbo ng takbo, napagod na si Mama Rena. Where are you going? Sorry. Ben! Takbo pa. Wow, look at that. There's fire over there, Ben. There's fire. They're gonna start the hot air balloon now. So good see. Wala, deadma. Deadma. It's about 20 degrees in here, guys. Makulimlim siya, pero you can feel the heat. Talaga namang sobrang busy siya. Ayan, nakakain na kami. Doon sa nakalapag na kami doon sa aming station. Takbo, sige.
Hindi pa rin isa lang bibilin dyan kasi
Wow! Like a what's that? Palm tree. Look at that. It's a palm tree. He can't hold it. He doesn't know what to do.
No,
What's that, Uncle Charles? Wow, chicken, chips. What we got there, Uncle Charles? Mac, cheesy mac.
cheese with jalapeno.
Sarap naman. Libre ni Tita, ni Mama Renz, Uncle Charles. What is it? Kain tayo, guys. Ayan. Dito puro kain, lakad. Tapos, syempre napagod na rin. Pagod na rin kami kada kakahabol sa mga kids. Ayan, mga oras na, mga 4 o'clock na. At mamayang gabi pa ang hot air balloon.
Really knows.
Yeah, he knows how to deal with it. Yan. Hinahawakan niya yung malamig. Si William naman ayaw niya. Yes! Wow, the penguin! Look at the penguin! Penguin's up! Wow, they're blowing it now. They're blowing one hot air balloon. What is it, William? What is it? What is it? Yes, Ben? What is it, Ben? Yeah? Next site na. Is that yummy? Yeah, good boy.
The porridge. What? Vanilla? No? What I do, they have in one pot, they'll get in another, and it's nice and crunchy. Like.
Then, where's the monster gone? You mean the monster truck? They're getting this ready, look. See, Ben. Is that nice, Ben? Oh, wow, you drank it all. Yes. You drank it all? Is that yummy? Did you say thank you to Mama Rana? Oh dear, it's prickly. Oh, it's prickly. Oh dear. Itong dalawa talaga nasa ala, sige. Woohoo!
We're going to see something better, guys. Come on, guys. Tom, let's do it, babe. TK. Choose 3 seconds.
Woohoo! You got to clap if you like it. You got to clap. Show some more. Yay! Enjoy lang silang nanonood at madaming tao, guys. At mainit din. Yung iba guys nanonood, si Ben naman entertained siya sa mga drinks nila. Nice! Cheers! Cheers! Woo! Yay! You did it! Woohoo! Oh, where's the other one, Ben? Isa lang gulong. Oh, sa kanya na rin yung drinks ni kuya niya. Uh-oh! It's stuck! It's stuck! Worried si Ben, guys. Isa lang daw ang gulong. Oh, no! Oh no, no! Nanay, Ben! Thinking to walk to the balloon closer. Kapagod guys, pero enjoy. Oh, kids, oh my God, the camera's gonna push you back. It's quite strong. Ayan guys, we're still here at the Toxeter race course. Ayan, iisang balloon pa lang ang naka-up. Sorry. Yan, may ice cream van din sila. We can't get to the monster truck, it's too far guys. Ang daming tao. Yan, may churros din sila. Non-stop guys. Itong mga to hindi pa pagod. Pero sinakay na namin kasi mahirap habulin ang dalawa. Yes! Baby boy! Yes! Baby boy! You alright, Daddy?
Yeah, fine, thank you. Yeah, it's rum.
It's rum, as in pack. Ang daming tao, grabe. As in.
Look, it says on the side, fly penguin. There's 5 of them. I know we just got off and walked to the...
Out and inflated. So the first stage of getting a balloon ready is putting lots of cold air inside it. So we use effectively a giant hairdryer. And once the pilot is happy that the pressure inside the balloon is sufficient for it not to collapse down whilst we start putting hot air inside it, they'll start a process of hot inflating the balloon and you'll see it rise up. As I said a little bit earlier, this balloon is called Tall Steve. Tall Steve is a Lindstrand balloon manufactured in 2017. Notionally 85,000 cubic feet. Makes it relatively small as a balloon.
That's that one.
But as you'll see when it stands up, it is quite tall. It doesn't come out of the top of the balloon.
Yan, ang init pala pagka inon nila yung apoy, guys. And naman another penguin. It says fly penguin. They're just trying to blow it with cold air, I think, so they use like a blow dryer.
Alex is now putting hot air inside the balloon. And in very little time at all, as you can see, Tall Steve comes up to say hello.
Ayan guys, ang laki na. Busy ang bed! Ayan guys, nakatayo ng isang penguin nila. Kanina isang penguin pa rin. Yan guys. Ayun si William, ang layo na niya. Giant. Ayan, nahanap ko na si William. Tumakbo siya guys. As soon as the penguin's up, is run off. Are you alright? Yes! Why? It's a big one. What is it? Is it a big? Tell me. What is it, William? What is it? Are you scared? Are you scared? Oh, careful! Sorry. Be careful. Tuloy pa rin guys, mga ano na, mga 6 PM na dito. At paikot-ikot pa rin ang mga tao. Parang si William, pero si Ben nasa prom na siya, pagod na. At si Daddy naman, ayun, umupo na with Uncle Charles and Mama Rena at magka-cup of tea na daw siya. At ako naman guys, ang trabaho ko is to follow William dahil he doesn't sit still there. He's had enough sitting down, so he just keeps walking about. May ikot siya guys. Yan guys, may mga sweets dito. Doon naman yung mga churros. Dito na yung mga burgers. Natuwa si William dito guys. Yan, nandun na si William. Nakapila na. Which one na? Oh, Bluey! There's Bluey! So Bluey, look who I found guys! I found my mga friendship. Nandito sila. Here's Zion! Hey Zion! Say hi, Zion! Ayan, small world po. Nandito yung mga ka-berks natin. Yan, for the second time guys. Umupo siya ulit sa favorite spot niya. You got to wait though. You got to wait, okay? Hey, Dan, bounce, bounce, bounce.
Darling in the lava. So,
everybody jump, jump, jump.
Jump, 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 jump.
And if you know the words, you can sing along.
I like to move it, move it.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it.
Do something. Wow, wow, wow. Sorry, that was my fault. Here you go. Sorry, Mum. Sorry.
Jump, 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 jump.
You guys are good at this. Keep going. When the music stops, you've got to lift your grown up in there. Oh, come on, come on.
Nice, yeah, nice, 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 nice.
guys, nag-ride si Benjamin, natakot daw siya. So Mama Rena has to get on with it with him. Pero natakot din, umiyak din daw siya. Tapos meron doon, monster truck doon na stuck. Hindi na tuloy. Pero may mga 4 cars na crash doon.
Quite just in itself, isn't it?
Ayan guys, another angle. Inaantay na lang nilang dumilim konti para mas maganda ang view. Grabe guys, ang daming tao. That's the main stage sa likod ko at puno. And guys, ini-inflate nila yung another one sa second balloon. A blue one next to the penguin. Ayun guys, may act sila. Si Elvis. Rena slowly inflating. Ayan guys, yung blue one, ayan, malaki na siya. And then the black one is going up. Ayan, it's up na guys. So, tatlo na sila. Yeah! Yan guys, yan yung si Panther. Oh, sarap mama.
The panther and the penguin aren't going to be flying from the site tonight because they're part of their night glow a little bit later on. Wouldn't have time to... We launches off.
Ayan guys, meron na tayong si Black Panther. O, diba? Si William nandito sa tabi ko. Si Daddy and Uncle Charles just went to walk about. At nakita namin na, would you believe it, nakita ka mga workmates ko at sila Vicmon, diba sila Joanna and their baby. William, be gentle. Si William being friendly sa baby. Say bye. Yes, we got Ben. Go sit down, William. Yan, upo na na. Say bye-bye. There he is. The blue balloon's going. Bye, balloon. Si William guys, tuwang-tuwa oh. Bye-bye. Bye.
I wanted to give him a big cheer and a wave.
Bye. Woo. It's okay.
I think he wants to go listen to Elvis.
This way, stay here. From there, guys, ayan. Pupunta na siya sa may main stage. Dali, akyat. You got to go up. Up. Okay, I'll have it. Si Ben, guys, sinatanggal ng medyas. Si William. Ayan guys, tsaa-tsaa na tayo. Kape-kape. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. It's hot. Yes, anak. Where's the hot air balloon? There's a hot air balloon. Bye-bye. Bye. Ay, dapat pala doon ako nakaupo. Water. That's the panther. That's the penguin.
Magkwento ka. Bye-bye, balloon. Bye-bye, pink panther.
Diba? Dala-dala ang upuan. At ang tsaa, guys. Dapat may ganda dito yung tsaa. At koke. Dala namin ang bahay namin, guys. Ayan.
Ayan, nagwala na oh. May nagwawala oh.
Tulog tayo. Kung napagod kayo, matulog. Ayan, hindi na kami balloon lang. Taas na.
Kasi sinabi mong taas na eh.
Bye-bye! Bye, hot air balloon!
It is blue.
It is so blue. So high now, look. Leaning. Oh, it's leaning now. Oh, is it going to bed, William? Oh, gaya din siya. Oh, it's up again. It's gone. Ito naman na stuck na. It's alright, don't worry. Last one lang kasi nangangapit bahay ng chips ko. Pagkapantayan niyo yung chips niyo, sabi ko. And guys, siya na ang gising ngayon at ikot-ikot. May baby tayo! Mga ka-work ko po, nagkita-kita kami dito. Alam ko naman. Yan ang ating mga ka-workmates. Eto po ang magka-birthday. Pigil na ang Ben. Ay, tantok na. Talo na si Ben. Antok na. Nani Mapi. Ayan guys, he started to put up the balloons. So there are 5 of them. Wow! Penguins! Go on, Ben! Ayan, this is the night glow, guys. So, at about 8 o'clock na. Wow, wow, wow! Oh, oh, yeah! Look at the balloon, boys! Woohoo! Wow! Wow! 5 of them, look.
on the far right hand side, flying Pico and the Penguin. We've got Ollie Evans.
About to witness tonight is unlike any other balloon blow in the world. It's an exhibition that requires great skill and concentration, a magical display of light, color, music, and fire performed in precise choreography by our pilots and crew. So now
First time seeing this is it, I've had enough. 'Cause like
Lola!
each other in love when you said you needed space. What? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day? I say I hate you. This time, I'm telling you.
I never ever.
Back together. We're beautiful like diamond in the sky. Like so high, so alive. Shine bright like a diamond. 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 Shine bright, you and I.
Ano mo ginagawa yan? Yung doble.
Woohoo! Yeah, 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 yeah! Go on, Bantons! Yay! William!
Ayan guys, nilamig na si William. Ito naman si Ben with Tito Rod. Yay! Ito naman may hat ka pa, oh. Social. Ayan si Baby Leandra, oh. Mommy McPhil. Bye, Sayon. Ang live. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye na, guys. Ang hindi natin makita. Yan, guys. Uwian na. Uwian na.
Look at the outer
Uwian
shell
na.
and they don't see what's going on, you know what I mean? But to be fair,
Bye-bye. Ayan. Uwian na. Meron pa mga nakasakay doon, guys. Yan guys, time check. It's 10 o'clock p.m. na at we arrived safe and sound. Ang ating mga kids are flat out. So, buti na lang pinalitan ko na yung napi ni Ben before kami umalis doon. Dahil, palabas. Guys, ang daming pila palabas. As in, parang kulang na lang mastampid ka. Pero, enjoy pa rin. So, ginamit na lang namin yung phone namin to turn the lights on para makita namin yung mga nasa harap namin. Lalo na may mga pram, may mga trolley. So, ayun, nag-enjoy naman sila. Nag-enjoy din kami. It's been like a long, parang haba ng araw. Pero, mga kids enjoyed it more than we did. Kasi sunod-sunod, as in sinundan namin sila everywhere. Kaya sabi ko, ang ganda ng teamwork. Kasi si Mama Reno, I'll watch Ben, you watch this. So there are times na kami ang nakaupo, sila naman ang naggala-gala ni Uncle Charles at saka ni Tom. Tapos there are times naman na ako si William, kasama ko si William, si Tom naman kasama si Ben, and then si Mama Reno kasama si Ben, and then ang ganda ng teamwork. So, lahat kami nakaikot, lahat kami nakaupo, lahat kami nakanood. Kumain na kami almost all day. At good job ang weather din, as in nakikooperate. So, nakalipad yung isang hot air balloon, and then bumalik din, and then yun, nagka-showdown. So, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at Simply Smith Family. Hope you're all okay. Salamat. Bye-bye.